Hi guys, welcome to my empty apartment tour. But before I get to the living room, I did want to say that I tried to do this tour the first day that we got here. But it was already dark outside, so once I started editing the video, the lighting was really bad in here. So that's why we're recording it now. This is our second day here. So you are gonna see some stuff around the apartment, but it's still pretty much empty. So I thought I'd record it again just so you guys can see everything better. So we're gonna start off with the living room. So this little room right here is our living room. It has this little nook area, which is, or like a little built-in area where the TV is gonna go. And then we just bought our couch today. And then it's pretty cool because it comes with a ceiling fan and a ceiling light. So we're not gonna have to buy any lamps for in here. And then it also has those two windows. They come with blinds. So we don't really need to buy curtains if we don't feel like it. As you guys saw right here is the front entrance. And these are just like all the lights for this room and for the dining room. And then it comes with like a little control, like a little remote control to control the speed of the fan. This is our dining room. It's this little like rounded off area, and then it has this like very low light fixture. So we're planning on just putting a round table here. I feel like a round table would fit really well with the rounded wall. And then we get so much light in here because of all the windows, so that's pretty cool. And then again, it comes with blinds, so we don't really need curtains. But yeah, we're just planning on putting a round table here with the chairs and maybe a round rug. This is our kitchen. Excuse the mess all over the counter, but we don't really have places to store all our stuff yet. So if you walk in here, this is the little kitchen area. It comes with this very deep sink, which is really cool. And then this detaches, so that's pretty cool. Under the sink, you just have like the regular storage. And then it does come with a dishwasher right here. So we're gonna have to learn how to use this because we've never used a dishwasher, but I do wanna learn how to use it. And then in here, we just have this little pantry. Still pretty empty, but it's really cool. It has 5 shelves in here, so it's pretty spacious. Enough room for just 2 of us. And then this is like the cabinets. It came with the microwave, the stove, and the fridge. It's pretty nice. It's all dark cabinets, so I really like it. And I just really like how the countertop is basically white, so it would really match with any decor that I decide to use. And then when you walk this way, we have this little archway, which I think is so nice. And you can kind of see into our little hallway. You can see all the doors. These first 2 doors, it is our washer and dryer. So that's how they look. It came with the washer and dryer, really cool. And then when you're not using it, you can just close the doors back up and it's just basically hidden away. So that's really nice. And then in front of the laundry is this first room. This would be, or this is Jay's room. As you guys can see, he kind of has his little setup right now. It's just temporary. We haven't brought in our bigger furniture, So he doesn't have his desk yet or his chair, but yeah, he's working with this for right now. Off his room is this little patio right here. It's pretty nice. You just get a view of the street in front of us. And then it does come with light, so at night we could just turn on this switch and the light will go on. This way is the master bedroom. So this would be our bedroom. It's the bigger bedroom too. As you guys can see, we have our little inflatable mattress set up for now. We aren't getting our bed framed till next week, so this is what we're working with. And then we just set up our TV on top of these two little shelf units that we had already. We just kind of stacked them and then put the TV on top. So this is just what we're like working with right now until we get all our furniture in on Saturday. And then it just comes with like this big window right here with the blinds. And then it also comes with the ceiling fan and light. And then both rooms have carpet, and then like the rest of the apartment has hardwood floors. And then also all the walls are painted like a light gray. So I think that's perfect because the color scheme that I'm kind of going with is like blacks and grays. So I think if it's perfect with the color scheme that we're trying to go with. This door over here is a closet. So this is gonna be my closet. It's pretty big. It's a walk-in closet. I do have some stuff already in there. I still haven't brought all my clothes, and I didn't bring any hangers, so I haven't been able to hang anything. This is gonna be my closet, and then Jay's just gonna use a closet in like his office space. And then this door over here is the bathroom. So this is our bathroom. This is the sink. Comes with a little storage down here, a little medicine cabinet. It just comes with a little storage closet. And then just a standard toilet and the bathtub with the shower. We still have to get a shower curtain, but yeah, it's a pretty good sized tub. When you close this door, which we came from, there's another door over here, which is towards the hall. So you can get into the bathroom two different ways, from the master bedroom or from the hall, which is really cool. And then this door, which is at the end of the hall, is just a little storage closet. So this space is really cool because we get to just store all our extra stuff in here. And then the apartment did come with AC. So right now we have the heater on because it's really cold in here. So this is our apartment tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sure I'll do another tour later once we get all our bigger furniture in here, like when we set up our couch and stuff. And make sure to subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a lot more videos. I will be doing home decor hauls and like IKEA hauls. I will be doing a haul on all this IKEA stuff that we bought today. So if you guys want to see what we bought, then subscribe because I will be uploading that very soon. And then I've also been vlogging this whole weekend, just us like moving in and trying to set up stuff and us shopping. So if you guys want to see those vlogs, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like it, and don't forget to comment down below and let me know how you would decorate this place. Maybe you can give me some ideas and some inspiration. I will see you guys on my next video.